How to draw a lava lamp, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing the base of our lava lamp. Right below this curved line, we're going to draw a straight line going from left to right that will connect the 2 points. Nicely done. Now attached to this shape, we're going to want to draw 2 slanted lines. These 2 slanted lines will help us make the shape that will be holding up the top portion of our lava lamp. Let's close off this opening by drawing a line going from left to right to connect these 2 points. Fantastic! So far this is coming along very well. Now right above the shape that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw a line going from left to right that is a little bit smaller than the shape right below. Now just like how we drew a couple slanted lines earlier on in today's video, let's go ahead and do that again right here. We're going to want to connect down to these bottom points. And we'll want to do the same thing for the left side that we just did for the right. And keep in mind that if you're enjoying today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Now, on the very top portion of the lava lamp, we're going to want to draw the top piece by drawing a simple curved line that will look like an upside down U line. Now, in the center portion of the lamp, let's go ahead and draw the lava that will be flowing. You can get as creative with this portion as you would like by making your lava as big or small as you want. And in just a few moments at the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. This is how to draw a lava lamp. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub, and if you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe and like today's video.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.